Hi guys, welcome back to S Chamberlain 5150's YouTube channel. Just down at home right now. Roommate got his bike back from Rock Cycle Service tonight, out ripping, and everything is cherry with that. A couple other things he's got to do. But with my bike, well, not my bike, but new thing I got, this GoPro Max 360. Been got that this week. Been kind of playing around with some videos. I got a good rip in today with just by myself, and then playing with that and everything. Just trying some editing. I just want to kind of show you some of the videos, that I was taking today, and time lapses, and trying to figure out the, because it's a 360 camera. So you have a camera on this side, and then you got a camera on the touchscreen on this side, and then as you can see, I have relocated gauges, and then I literally just bolted this thing right to my gauges. So I have a mount, and then you take it off. This GoPro is actually pretty sweet, and like the sound quality is pretty decent. Everything, like it's got a camera or a microphone on the front, and then one on the side, and then one on the back side too. And like, it is insane the angles that this thing can pick up. Like, it can just, you have it right here, and then it can almost like see just the front of the fairing, all the way to like seeing the whole back of the bike. And then, yeah, I can take this, and if I lean this thing down like this, it's totally picking up like the gauges so you can read it, but then it can still see like in front of you. It's wild. Like, so I'm just gonna throw up like a couple little edits that I did today. Nothing crazy, just the bike ripping down the road, and I hope you guys enjoy. Soon, I'm hoping one of these days I'm gonna get it outside, and I'm gonna do a video front to back, all the modifications I've ever done to this bike, just so you guys can know what it is. If you have any questions or anything, like I always say, message me, email me, find me on Instagram, schamberlain5150, and I'm always glad to answer questions and all that cool stuff. So hope you guys enjoy it. Just short little video, and check this out. So as you can see, really not that great at editing, but I'll get it figured out. So thanks. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on the little bell so then you get a notification every time I upload a video. I appreciate it, guys. You guys are awesome. Probably going to head out to North Carolina to the Tail of the Dragon this weekend. So if you're down in the area for Memorial Weekend 2020, let me know. Maybe we can link up and talk and do cool stuff. All right, thanks.